Hello friends, welcome to Wikipedia. This channel widely covers different topics of mechanical engineering and our aim is to learn and motivate others to learn. So today's topic will be high density polyethylene HDPE. So in this video we'll see four different chapters. So what is HDPE and process inspections involved in this HDPE, advantages and disadvantages and applications. So let us go into the video. What is HDPE? High density polyethylene is most widely used thermoplastics and is safest plastic to the human beings, and standard number is 2. And let us see the number details in the separately apart after this. So it is easily recyclable and its major strength is high strength to the density ratio. The given density it's having high strength. This is one of the major strength of advantages of HDPE. So raw material, like other plastics, this is the byproduct of crude oils and natural gases. So naphtha is the basic material used for producing raw material of HDPE. So that is the byproduct of crude oil. You can see the flow over here, like ethane, propane, butane are derived from naphtha and natural gas, and further it is just converted into ethylene, propylene, butylene. That ethylene further polymerized and finally processed into HDPE. So coming to the number 2, what it means. There are two informations coming out of this number. One is resin identification. So the end user can understand which plastic is being used in this material. That is purely reveals the identification. That's the first one. And second one is ease of recycling. The number shows how much ease to recycle this material. Normally there is number starts from 1 and ends at 7. So 1 means is very easy of recycling and 7 means cannot be recycled, it's tough. This is the information we get from this standard number. So HDPE is having number of 2. I already explained, it's easily recyclable, and you can see the images of raw material, final raw material after processing from naphtha. It looks like. Point the processes and inspections followed in HDPE. Majorly, blow molding is the process being used in HDPE. You can see the small clip in the right. Semi-molten high metal is poured with a high pressured air blown inside the mold, and it just generates circular shape. Majorly it is produced circular or round shapes, and it is getting cooled and it comes out of the mold. That is what I already told. It's manufactured in cylindrical or circular shape. Uniform wall thickness throughout the length remains the challenge in the process of blow molding. And inspection point of view, we have two different type of inspections being followed. One is raw material stage. The parameters like density 0.95, melting point is 125 degrees Celsius, and hardness 69 SOR D, and tensile strength 2329. And coming to the final product, it's MFI is one of the important thing what we measure, and heat resistant and chemical resistant. The cycle is being followed based on the end product application need. It's kept at different temperature and for certain duration, and that cycle is getting repeated multiple times. So end product is evaluated for no cracks on surface and no deterioration, no degradability on the surface. Same way the chemical resistance, multiple chemicals kept under the contact with this material like water to oil, diesel, etc. And after that, the surface conditions will be evaluated after multiple cycle of this process. This is purely based on application, customers design or design team or engineering application design team defines the requirement. So during development and periodically it is being verified by the manufacturer. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: it is easily reusable. We already seen it is having good corrosion resistance and high strength to density ratio and easily moldable and high weatherability. And disadvantages: subject to stress crack, highly flammable, high thermal expansion and rigid material. It is a rigid material, can lead to some cracks. So applications, there are three areas. We'll see what type of products are being used. So in food and beverages areas, cans, multiple cans, circular bottles, because it's good chemical resistant products and it is safest one, easily recyclable. So most of our bottles or circular shaped products what we use in the home is of HDPE. And in vehicles, it's fuel tanks. You can see over here because it's good chemical resistance. I already talked corrosion resistance, good strength. So it is in chemical fuel tank and duct products where air systems, duct products, not only in vehicles, in industrial applications. And coming to medical, chemical storage unit and supply pipes. So these are the few areas and products I shown over here. Hope friends you got basic knowledge about HDPE and its uses and advantages. Please like and share my video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.